Good morning, good evening. Welcome everyone, great to see you. Let's get started, guys. Let's go for it. Let's just get back in business on a happy new, pretty much interesting week, I would say. Are you guys getting ready? Let's get into the business. Make sure to like the video. Welcome everyone. Hey, what's up? Great to see you. Great to have you on board. Look at that. Look at that Nasdaq on the hourly. Getting punished by the skepticism around the markets, by the question marks with the Federal Reserve, by the liquidity dumping and releasing some of the pressure with the metals. So hope you're having a great time, guys, and let's not forget about risk management and continue our good journey. Let's make sure that we set that up as the major priority, because avoiding losses is way more important than making money, right? Is certainly a priority in exchange of the alternatives. And today we're gonna focus and get into the business deeply. Good to have you on board. Make sure to like the video. Come on, guys, let's bring up the volume. And of course, just share the presentation pretty much everywhere in all the trading groups. We're live. We're having $125,000 in giveaways. We're live. Giveaways are only for the legit winners. Keep that in mind. If some of you do not wish to be a legit winner, I don't mind that, but certainly will not receive anything. Boom, there you go. That's pretty much all about the hourly, but I'm happy to look into other time frames too right here with you guys. Been doing a little bit of technicals. You guys remember about gold? You guys remember I told you, and I even have the encircled level here. Look at that. You guys remember this for the gold on the previous live stream? This encircled levels are from the previous live stream. This one, I told you, this level, and then have encircled that specific part. The price section we have encircled that level was, you know, probably around here. You guys want to remember that, watch the live stream. Or for those of you that were watching and were listening, I was talking about the 4,400s for gold. And that's what we got. And then you say the market makers are not enjoying to be part of our live stream. Listen and execute. Looks like the market is completely disagreeing with that view. Good morning. Great to have you on board, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We're ready for another relentlessly hunting targets. Pretty much good week. For my YRM accounts, guys, they numbered 34 here, back-to-back profits. Still want to do more than 2,000 bucks. And let me tell you something. I'm gonna allocate myself. Gotta change the banners, right, for the YRM. Didn't change the banners today. Didn't have enough time today. Been playing tennis today, almost for the whole day. So let me tell you, I had a pretty strong training. I've been running like never before. And, you know, it's... Gotta change those banners for the YRM, put out the new pricing, the new model, the new things that are since 1st of February. 9 fireworks, well, I'm gonna sort it out. Well, one of my solutions to that is to do double round fireworks for each winner, right? But that's still not gonna make it for the number 9. We're gonna do double till 8 and then add up a single one. Or we start counting from 1 instead of from 0. We got 2 choices for that, which are a little more feasible. I don't like this 5-minute rejections. I think you guys are watching those wicks here. We're trading below daily, weekly opening for sure. Last week's low is going to be something 365. Certainly do not enjoy to look at that rejection that we had last week on 26,000. Yeah, the long-term view is no problem with that. No. And long-term, I don't mean when I say long-term like 5 to 10 years. Nah. Fireworks copy trading, exactly. We will introduce that concept if needed. Hopefully it's not needed. So we're in a space where copy trading of the fireworks is limited. I still got my old accounts here on the YRM. I'm gonna trade nicely and slowly find my way into. I think we have an important day here for one of the accounts. Let me just double check that. Yes, day number 20. It is a day for the payout here if we are touching the minimum target. Day number 20 for one of the accounts. We have 19 sessions completed. With the one we're completing today, it's going to be day number 20. Right, so today, there you go. That's how to start the Mondays. Leave one of your payouts always for the Mondays. And get the business rolling with that. This is the account. I only have to do 150 bucks here. Good morning, great to see you guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We got tons of money sitting there for the giveaways, but you certainly want to follow the rules. Here's the Discord for those of you that are fresh and they're not members. It's gonna get updated to 8 days. I think they just get back in business right now by Monday. Their IT team, engineers. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Thank you. And they will fix that 8 days very, very soon. So it looks like the 200 EMA, instead of rejecting here and dumping, finds, you know, decent support. Let me see if we could get something out of this situation. Not gonna dive into very, very deep with lots of volume. Let me keep that simple for today, especially for this account where we only need to do 150 bucks. If we're missing the strength here, I'm gonna be out. This is not good. I sold half of my position. Accepted $60, $70. Yeah, we have a new pricing for the YRM. I'm gonna update you with that one, guys, soon. We have a new pricing for the YRM. And one of the most important things is that I've successfully negotiated to bring down the prices for their instant funding accounts. And with my code, it's going to be even cheaper. Yeah. Let me just fully get out and accept 300 bucks entry. That was pretty much a bad entry. YRM is working with the following options in terms of trading platform. Those are the ones listed. So you get volumetrica. You get deep charts here. The deep chart is the volumetrica with a web-based platform, the one I'm trading right now. You also have basically the Quantower version. They utilize the DX feed, data feed. I'll pull up the new pricings for the YRM. So let me share with you. It's discounted. It's 88 bucks right now for a 50k. But with my code, you have one more discount, an additional discount on top of the discount, which is usually 5%. So that's like 7 bucks. I think this is around $81 at the end of the day, the 50k instead of 88. The challenge, right? So 5% from the original price. I think 5% from original. I know it's 5%. But we have to make sure if it's from the original price or from the already discounted price. We'll have to verify. Didn't have time to do this. And then the instant prime, I notice. The instant prime basically is 540, 40% off. But with my code, it's 50%. And the total price is 900. So 50% of 900 is basically 450. Right now, the $150,000 instant funding accounts are 450 bucks. Heavily negotiated with that one, guys. Heavily. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you so much. Accepted a $300 here loss. This is an interesting level. We had a prior supply here, and this could be converted. Or we do pretty much continue our downtrending rhythm. I'm gonna go for a little short here. The volatility is still insane these days. We have opened up a short here. Good day, everyone. Hey. Time to accelerate here. Otherwise, this rejection is certainly not something I want to see. No. Time to press the pedal and grab the liquidity. Grab some stop losses and trailings. Come on. You know, this is a level that could actually give us a... It's a risky spot. It's a risky spot. Looks like for me to get back in a good trading form, I do have to start with a little loss and a little negative P&L. My first entry was certainly wrong, fundamentally wrong from all the question marks, and then this one is at a level that market could actually bounce instead of running a continuation, so it has a undecisive nature. But I do like that rejection, and I'm gonna force it. Let's see if it sticks. If it sticks around, there you go. Just a couple of points. No. Yeah, we don't press. We're not looking good for short if we don't press. We are getting suppressed. Yeah. Time to find a way and exit out of this in a smart way. I accepted a partial loss, another one. Look at his price action. Good morning, welcome guys. I've re-added to my short. I've re-DCA to my short. Very risky. The best part is that I'm ready to take a loss if needed. Let's see what we get here. No. The clean and the breakout. Those are the ones with a crypto, but I'm not trading them actively. I don't have time for that, guys. That's the only reason why I'm not doing any trading prop firm with crypto. Adding a little bit to this one here. Adding a little bit to this one. I mean, could cost me more, but there could be a temporary 1 minute tap here. I just add a little bit. But those ones with the crypto prop firms that I made videos, I reviewed 2 different companies. They're good, they're working fine. It's just that I got the lack of time, resources to trade with them. So, this is where we are. I don't think you can do that. No, you cannot do it. But you could be able to do that through Quant Tower. If you have a premium Quant Tower, you can trade, you can do copy trading between multiple prop firms and multiple connections on a premium Quant Tower. But you would not be able to do that on a deep chart, no. Yeah. Well, you know, poly market has been too many times right. Yeah, the continuous downtrend of the crypto space is at some point becoming questionable, guys. Questionable in a way where you have a much better edge to the downside from here or to the other side for the longer term approach. Where is your edge? Not reversing for the moment. Did not expect this green candle to push like that. Have to accept. But look at that 5 minute engulfing the previous 2 candlesticks. It's incredible. We did not wick below, guys. We had a low here, and with the retest, we did not wick below. It's incredible how some of the guys got saved nicely and their liquidity has not been taken out. The ones that put a stop loss below the previous low here have not been wiped out. It's just nuts. How does the market allows that liquidity to exist and then runs instead of taking it? Chase, everyone. I certainly need a rejection here. If I don't get it, I'll have to be out. And it's not looking good right now. If we don't get a rejection here, it's not looking good. The previous 5 minute candle closed very strong. Yeah, the 1 minute shows some weakness for the moment, so it's the only reason I'm allowing this one to be active. Yeah, it's already costing me too much. Already costing me a little bit too much here. This is day number 20. Is the last day, basically. Last day for the payout on this account. You know, I could accept this loss and then make tomorrow $200 and be able to qualify for the payout, right? Because I have the last day that way. It's just that I'm going to lose the buffer. And after the payout, the account is no longer going to be... Yeah, I'm selling. I sold partially. I had to accept a partial loss there. Another one. I did accept it basically, more or less. I've retested a DCA here. But you see, this is a bit challenging. Markets managed to do 45 points without any serious retracement. It's quite of a heavy risk appetite I got this morning. Quite of a heavy risk appetite I got this morning. But I still believe in this 500 supply we have for the 1 minute, that it could give us some retracement. And added another one, so we have DC'd here at the top into the short. We have sold earlier and DC'd back at the top. Yeah, we don't have that much of a brought our average of the entry way higher. But unfortunately the bears, we need them to step in as soon as possible, otherwise I have to be out, and that's gonna be a... yeah. I'm out on a stop loss there. Look at that. Crazy. We pushed 45 points on an unexpected way. Totally unexpected 45 points. Even though the technical situation here is, you know, previous supply becoming support. Incredible. You don't take any liquidity below this week. You reverse it right prior to that. It's just insane. Look at that. Market's probably going to dump right now all the way back. And we had... That's the way to start the Monday. Especially on an account that is day number 20. Left it a little bit too much. Going to the one where cycle number 4, guys, and reshorting the structure here. This is, you know, cycle number 4. Going for the $6,000 payout. Yep. It's not looking that bad, certainly. Couldn't find a way to... It's pretty deep. Come on. 2 points needed here. Sold partially. I sold partially basically. Secured 80 bucks here. Very important account. Making another 2 grand here is going to give me a good payout of 6,000. The other one that we were day number 20 today is sitting in a pretty heavy situation, right? Re-DCing here for my short. Impressive. Come on. Should not be that difficult here. Should not be that difficult. Touching desired levels. Come on. Finally. $300 made here, finally. Very important. Very important. Coming after that loss. And it's very important to capitalize on this account here. Day number 35, guys. We've cashed out $9,000 from this account. And I'm looking forward to making that, securing that. More than 6,000, securing that money. And taking out my 6,000 bucks. Right? That's a great one. We have 35 days back-to-back profits here. I'd like to make a little more than the 6,000 because I'd like to go for another cycle payout, right? So this 6,000 is obviously not the limit. I can go for 6,000 if I leave enough buffer, maybe 1,000, 1,500, making above that 6 grand I'd like to take out. That would actually mean to make another 2,000 more from here, or even 3,000 more from here. Retesting here for a short. On the same account, trying to make a little more. But it looks like unstoppable for the moment. Re-adding to this on the wick. The algo is powerful. Daily opening 530s. Starting to question that. We'll soon start trading our Lucid accounts too. We're pretty close to the 530s. Daily and weekly opening. No, we have actually been in a downtrend here. This was the start of a downtrend. This is an interesting spot here. It's a DCA. And then accept a temporary loss on the downside move if we don't break out with a massive strength. Yeah. We got a W at this time. But we had a breakout of the the first time I got to shorted around the bottom was at least to go for the liquidity below the previous wick, which did not appear to happen. Which did not appear to happen at that time. Every day. Not just the red line, but the previous wick of the low has been missed. Plus, there was a possibility here of the start of a downtrend all the way back to the daily volume weighted average price, so I was sticking to my short idea. Coming also based on the massive rejections we got for the 5-minute situation there, right? Market bounced and then quickly got rejected. Who's gambling again, Martin? We've been gambling for the past months daily with such principles, so make sure to verify the outcome. We got the flat hourly opening here, which could actually set some pressure in the... We closed below the daily opening. But we gotta see what do we get out of it. Yeah, I put my skin in the game daily. And, wow. Pretty strong 1 minute. Pretty strong 1 minute. This is still seeking for continuation if we don't reject these levels. We got to see the bears stepping in 35, 37 around this levels. There are strategies of exiting out of your losses in different ways. You can have a fixed number of cutting it at, 500 or 700 or 1,000, whatever. Or you can have a different approach, which means a little more risk. But as soon as the mathematical adds up on your favor for the weeks and months of trading, just do the way it works for you mathematically. You see, this green candle we have here should have been different, guys. I'm out of it. Yeah. It could be the worst place. Could be one of the worst places to be out. But there is more than 100 points here today. We've been trying to make money from shorts and nothing paid off. Nothing paid off today for the shorts. It's been unlimited money printing for the bears. Good day, welcome everyone. Let's go, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord to participate in the giveaway. Absolutely mandatory. Otherwise, we will not organize them. So, trading the YRM accounts. Everything is getting bought up here. Everything, absolutely everything is getting bought up for more than 100 points. Look at this 5-minute candlestick. They don't have a wick downside. We're just pressing and pressing. Have DC a little bit here. Obviously, I'm ready to fully get out of this trade. If things do not get down in my favor. At some point, there is the time to put up some losses too. And it could be the day. Lovely rejection. Not to underestimate, the shorts have built some decent liquidity here. Not seeing a 5-minute candle. Possibly the next one is going to be red. Possibly the next 5-minute candle. $30 seconds to go out of this one. The next one, it would be lovely to close below 530s. Yeah, maybe not the day to have massive losses. Or controlled losses, but still. I got my idea. Accepted a temporary loss there. One more. So accepted some loss. If we bounce, I'm reshorting. Basically adding to my short from higher levels. This candlestick that we just opened. Sure. We're not in a bad situation here. I would be afraid of longing this thing. I would be afraid chasing the price action. DCing into my short here a little bit. I've DC'd a little bit. Right, so we have exited lower and reshorted higher. That's what we did. Yep. Incredible 5-minute candlesticks we have. One-way directional movements. Even this one. Still green. But I got my idea and I'm sticking with it for the moment. Certainly not afraid about this numbers. Reshorting. There you go. Lovely. That was a lovely volatility there. This is interesting. I think there are some short scalpers testing this 40s out right here. You saw how the price action jumped. Not DCing anymore, but I'm holding onto my short. Incredible, yeah. Time to see the late longers and the FOMO traders paying the price. Yes, YRM changed the price. I have to change the banner. Yes, correct. You still have a discount from the current price listed with the code. No. The price has totally changed. The price has changed. With my code, you get a better discount than the website and the company discounts you. But no longer at 65. That has changed. We're back in profit here, guys. But let's not underestimate the possibility of continuation. And let's not be afraid. For the moment, been breaking my balls here with this trade. And let me tell you something. Lovely rejection, lovely. We talked about the next candle earlier, I told you. Should be red. And there you go. We still have a minute to go. Now watch the amount of people reshorting as soon as we could get a bouncing at any point that's going to be reshorted. With this 5-minute candlesticks on the daily opening and this 1-minute price action structure, look at that. Market makers, what are they doing? Not touching it yet, even though from here we could bounce a little bit, but not touching it yet. Opening the doors for nice floodgate. Keep printing, guys. Come on. I'll have some of my exits here. Right? Some exits there. We gotta press the pedal. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. Lovely, lovely. Stop loss on above the wick here. I'm fully out. Lovely. 1,269. Whew. I needed that money, right? So there's so much room here for the downside, but I needed that money. I needed to secure that. Come on, guys. Time to celebrate this one, even though some people think we're just gambling. That's a lovely way of calling it. For some people, no matter what. Ethereum ready to jump. Where is it gonna jump, Ethereum? Down to $1,500 pool. Now, Ethereum is gonna be 5 grand soon, right? Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your tea. Come on. We got winner, and it's no surprise. If you're watching the way we've been trading for the past months, you see this is my approach. Now, 450 on the YRM instant funded is the new pricing. 450. We talked with YRM. I said, you change the rules, you make things the way you make, still way more enjoyable than other instant funding accounts. But you gotta come up with a great price for our lovely community. You gotta do that. We're soon gonna trade a Lucid. Let me just open up the Lucid and start working around the Lucid accounts. I think we're in a great shape on the Lucid accounts. So much money made there. So I'm not worried. Make sure to sign up the giveaway, guys. Come on. Like the video. Exactly. Be subscribed, join Discord. These are the mandatory things to join. That's a lovely rejection, guys, that comes in. I'm gonna reshort from higher. Keep that in mind. Reshorting from higher. Sell limit. Sell limit. Sell limit. Sell limit. Sell limit. Also opening a market order short from here. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Lovely shorts got filled up. That was a powerful movement, guys. We gotta be careful with that. This could actually become very aggressive. Yeah, let me be careful with that. In terms of re-adding to this. Not doing that for the moment. If the bulls get too crazy here, you just want to be careful. As soon as we swept the high, I'm adding a little more. We got 28 micros.
Order filled. Order filled.
I did open a short here on my top 1 futures, Project X as well. With 10 contracts. You see, you gotta be tight here. They can still push for some nice, lovely liquidity.
Order filled.
Come on, guys, let's go. 15 minutes to go and the market opens. Classic double top. Or no. That's lovely, right? That's lovely, right? Stop loss and break even here. Let's make some money. Top 1 futures. Stop loss. trailing. We're open up here with a trade on the 28 micros. And then on the other side, 15. Taking my stop loss away from here and re-adding to this. Yep. I've re-added to my position on the top on futures mark. We have a stop loss here at 1,000, so I'm well aware about it. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. Legend Ignite accounts. Been trading them since September. If you gamble, you can't trade an account for how many months? September, October, November, December, January. 5 months. How do you survive for 5 months by gambling? Can you guys explain me? If you have a wrong risk management, how on earth do you survive for 5 months? I don't like this candlestick, to be honest with you. I don't like it, but let me see the way it's gonna finish, the way it's gonna progress. Could still get rejected, and then I'm gonna love it. There you go. I love you, candlestick, right now. I love you. Back into a break-even situation here for the top one. Yeah, lovely, guys. Come on. I'm just looking for the market to communicate with me clearly. What do you want to do? Not that
Order
easy. Look at
filled.
that. Break even touched. You know, I sold partially and deleting the other limit orders from the top. Sold partially. I'm waiting, guys. I'd like to clearly see a rejection here. Because this is not that convincing. We got some shorts here, limit orders. Same thing. Is gonna be for my limit orders in both sides. Adding to my short here with market orders for my YRM. And I'll test out a short basically for the top on futures too. That was a decent rejection there. We'll see. But this is looking pretty good. No more limit orders from the top on both sides. No, no. Doing great. Doing great, guys. Ready to go and fight for the targets relentlessly on another opportunity here. This is a clear downtrending and a clear supply there. And I'm feeling great about it. Do I exit? No, stop loss and break even. And I'm leaving for a good runner here on the top on futures. Stop loss and break even here. I'm leaving for a good runner. We gotta lose that 20s, guys. Lose that 20s. I'll take the break even there. Lose that 20s. Keep the pedal passing, guys. Come on. Keep it pressing downwards. There's a good opportunity here. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. In order to participate in the giveaway, you gotta like the video, join our Discord, and be subscribed. Keep it printing. Come on. Not trading CFDs. No, no. This is looking risky here for a little bouncing, guys, and that could take my trailing out. But still, I would love to see a cliff, guys. I'm trailing here. I'm trading there, 420s. I'm trailing there. I'm trailing over here too. Right, so we're trailing. Come on, guys. Is this gonna dump? We're trailing. We have a $400 profit there, but would be lovely to...
Order filled.
Yeah. We touched the profit at 400. And on the other side, we touched the profit at 100. You know. Look at that pressure. That's why you have to trail. That's why you have to trail. Risky, guys. 5-minute algo about to get kicked in. Welcome, everyone. Great to have you on board. Look at that rejection. Stepping in with a little short. Stepping in with a little short. Is this problematic? I'll be out. Was that push we had earlier just a fake one? That push we had earlier and we got our trailing hit. The question mark is about the possibility of being fake. And that's why I got into reshorting this whole thing. Not putting the stop loss on break even yet. Not putting. We have 20 micros attached to this. Reshorting it, guys. Keep dumping. Keep pressing. Come on. Reshorting.
Order
I'm going to
filled.
reshort from tap on futures too.
Order filled.
Lovely, lovely move. Keep going, guys. Probably tap on futures is close hitting the target here. Tap on futures is close hitting the target. There is less than 3 minutes to go. Oh my gosh.
Order filled. Order filled.
Keep going.
Order
Come on.
filled.
Beautiful. 525. Target has been hit for the tap on futures. And then stop loss on break even here for the DX feed for my YRM. Leaving the rest of it open, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We have $100 trailing. And I'm leaving the rest of it open. There's two. Oh, trailing has been touched. Still gonna celebrate this. This is a wild market. Look at that. Wild market, honestly. Wild. What a big one. Thank you. Right, great target here for the top on futures, but still. This is a very risky spot. You're breaking the 20s here, you're going to do a cliff. You're bouncing from here, you have a very good chance having another strong movement to the upside. Right, so this is a very risky spot, exactly like we were trading previously when I started streaming. There's a demand zone here if it holds you. If you short it, basically, you might get shorting the bottom. If you long it and it breaks, you're longing the worst case scenario. 1 minute to go. Not trading it for the moment. The risk is too much. The volatility is there dominating it. I don't like that. Wow, look at that buying pressure on the 5-minute chart. Risky, guys. Yeah. I do see the CMA. CMA market data. Whoa. Market just opened, guys. There you go, the opening bell. What's happening here? All the way to 600s. 70 points. Look at that. That's why you want to trail. 70 points. 610. Oh my gosh. What's wrong with you, Nasdaq? You want to get back to 26,000 so quickly? All the way back to today's high. 645. Look at that. But the amount of dump we had today from 645 to 680s to 180s, 645 down to 180s. That kind of dump we had today, incredible. Incredible, guys. Wow, look at the candlestick we have here. That's insane. And now in the price section. Testing out a little short here for this YRM. I'm going to try to make some money from scalping, right? I'm out. We made like 100 or something like that. We still have to trade a little bit of Lucid we have here. I think the market wants to go for today's high, 645. Do not. Yeah. Careful with a 645. Look at that. Come on. Today's high, 645. Yeah, we made a new high. So I'm testing out a short from there. Lovely, right? I'm out. Great profit made. Also shorted, guys, on Lucid Flex for a Quant Tower. A single out. 236 made here. Look at that. Great profits, guys. Let's just celebrate back and forth. That was a lovely trade. 236 here, profit. On the Lucid Flex account. We still want to trade because we have the target of 250. But very, very important is here. It's $314 loss. It was much bigger. How much was it? It was 3,000 at some point. Yeah. 3,000 at some point, and we only have 300 left. Don't forget to like to subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Make sure to join the giveaway. It's going to be on the live stream. You have to, once I finish trading. Look at that. That's crazy. Wizard. Not an easy situation here with a price action, I'm telling you. It's just been about a longs for the past many hours. So here's the 5-minute chart. Retesting a short here, guys. If it holds, we might get something out of it. We'll see. It's not really capable. It's getting bought up. Accepted a partial loss. Yeah. Like $200 loss. Did accept it. I re-DC it as soon as we wick above. Let's see, what do we get here? We got a strong push. Incredible. Yeah. Look at that, crazy. It was not about the shorts today at all. Ripping, guys, ripping. Ripping. Careful, very, very careful there. Because this is ripping. Unstoppable. Very careful. Looks like the shorts are not that capable of good form. I'm gonna cut this very, very soon. Stop loss right there. We'll take that loss. Amount of volatility. Just crazy. Decreasing my stop loss for the end of the wick there. Nah. Cannot add more because it's too pricey. It's too pricey for the buffer we have in the account. I just accepted a partial loss there. It would be too pricey for the account to add more. Another partial loss accepted. And now I could add more if we go up. That's right. If we go up, I could add more right now. But it would be too pricey. We got saved. Re-shorted here. Re-DCA'd into. Yep. We're on fire. Come on, guys. Just press the pedal and cliff the whole thing. It does not look that bad. Press the pedal and cliff the whole thing. I've accepted a temporary loss there. To like the video, to... yeah, we got news coming out soon. To like the video, to subscribe, to fill up the form. Testing out to add more here, guys. Could be a promising level. Right, we only need this. Added more here, added more. If it holds, I'll gladly accept the loss. Look at that. Yep. I'll gladly take the loss there if it holds. Stop loss right there. That's it with a stop loss. No. Not more. This is not dumping. Not adding more to this. And then testing basically the water. Yeah. Basically, from the moment we opened on the stream, trading at 460s, we're 250 points above. Look at that lovely rejection. Yeah, I'm long on Mondays. I'm out here, 256, enough there, not making more. Because this is having so much pressure, guys, it's insane. Yeah. Little scalp there. Well, for the account that is cycle number 4, we'll have to start it slow. Start it slow right now. Added a short here. Nah, they're not giving up, guys. Everything is getting bought up. They're not giving up yet. Sold half of it. They're not giving up. Ripping. We're starting the giveaway soon. Yeah, we got news. Yep. We got news. We got the ISM today, I think. $600 points. Incredible pressure we've got here, guys. Incredible. Not even 30, 40 points correction. There are so many candlesticks that are fair value gaps. Look at this 1 minute fair value gap here. Let me show you. That one. Putting the stop loss right above. We kind of have the 202. That's kind of above the target, you know, the minimum target. Still wanted to test out a short here. Little, not more. Little. I'll monetize it if it comes, otherwise we'll cut it away soon. No matter what, no matter where and how you FOMO, you make money in this price section in a long. We got a stop loss at the top. We got a stop loss there. So pretty much no matter how much you FOMO in this price section, by pushing the longs, you're making money. Interesting how does the market is rewarding today, even that kind of this is an interesting level here. Let's see if we get a continuation or is another movement for the upside coming in. Nah. Nothing resists here. Nothing resists here in shorts. Nope. Nothing resists here. Impressive. From the very moment we got on the stream, the whole thing just pumped. 189 all the way 740s. We're starting the duck race very, very soon. We're forced enough with the shorts today, and it's, you know, not working. Yep. Time to get ready for the giveaways. Right. Close to 800. Ripping. It is ripping. Target, well, this it's just unbelievable in the way the market reacts today with all that recovery, guys. Filling up masses. Unbelievable, right? The way it has reacted today. Look at that candlesticks. 4-hour engulfing we've got earlier, closing on the 400s. Impressive, guys. Impressive. A recovery. Let's get ready for the giveaways. Let's just get ready for the wheel today. We're gonna do it. We're gonna get ready for the wheel. A wheel and the duck race. The wheel and the duck race. Here we are. Here we are. So, all right, guys, so how do you participate? Simple as usually. Make sure to fill up the form. The first giveaway is going to be a $25,000 tap on futures. Yeah. $25,000 tap on futures. End of the day drawdown, instant funded. Right? $25,000 tap on futures. End of the day drawdown, instant funded. That's what we're going to trade. That's what you're going to receive as a giveaway. This is the first giveaway, guys. Great to see you on board. So, like the video. How do you participate? Could be your question. Like the video. Be subscribed. Join my Discord. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. A single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. And do not use multiple accounts. Obviously, you're going to get banned with that. It's not allowed. Alright, guys. Keeping things simple and flat. So, I'm gonna pull up the numbers. 000, triple number 5, triple number 7, double number 8, and double number 9. You can start right now. Start right now, guys. Best of luck, everyone. 000, 555, 777, 888, 999. That's where we are. Best of luck, guys. Come on. Let's go. This is a Top 1 Futures $25,000 instant funding account. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop. No more. It's over, guys. Great. So we're going to shuffle this. Best of luck, everyone. There you go. Watch the wheel. Good luck, everyone. I see that number 9 or the number 8 could be exciting on the number 9. What do you guys think about a number 9 itself? I don't think we're stopping there. That's going to be the number 8 very likely. That's how the paddle runs. That's going to be the number 8 very likely from the way it looks like. Congratulations for the winners. Great job, guys. Congratulations for the winners. You got this. You got this one. Congratulations. Just pull up the ducks. $35 winners with a number 8. That's an easy peasy, right? 35 winners. You guys will compete for 30 seconds only. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Take 7 seconds to go. Come on, guys. Time for you to get aggressive. Zyder. And Zyder is pushing with a number 16. Thank you so much. We got you with a winner, Zyder. Great job, buddy. Great job. Let's find out if you completed a form. We have 255 people today. Really, today was the worst day in trading for the past 3 months. The worst day today. Yeah, for sure. For the past 3 months, the worst day. It happens. Basically, you need the worst day for the past X months, right? Loading up the form right now with a giveaway. Zyder. There you go. Did you complete a form? Yes, congratulations, buddy. There you go. Congratulations. $25,000 Top 1 Futures account. Instant fund that goes out to you. Great job. Next account is going to be 50,000 Lucid. 50,000 Lucid Flex. Second giveaway. 50 grand Lucid Flex. Watch for the numbers. Watch for the numbers. So make sure to like the video for those of you that have joined fresh. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We're gonna do the following ratio. From 0 to 9, every single number appears once. Right? So from 0 to 9, every single number appears once. Best of luck. From 0 to 9, guess your number, like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. Thank you so much. It's been a pretty bad session today. Yeah, you need to accept there's situations like that. Alright guys, so stop right there, no more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. It's over, no more guesses. Shuffle. Best of luck everyone. Best of luck everyone. Who's gonna make it? Come on. Don't think that's gonna be the 0. I think we're forcing for the number 3. Look at that. And there you go. We got you with a number 3, guys. Congratulations for the winners on the number 3. Congratulations. Perfect choice. Perfect choice with a number 3. Congratulations for the winners. Not a very popular number for sure. I don't think there's going to be more than 40. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. I don't think there's going to be the... Oh, Maddie. 33, look at that. We got you on board with a 33. Competing time. 30 seconds. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. That's gonna be quite heavy. Quite heavy out there. David. Oh, David, there you go. Congratulations, David. Look at that one. David. Are you completing here? David, looks like you've missed out completing the form, David. Oh my gosh, another $50,000 Lucid. David, it didn't work. Give me free. Next one. Give me free. Give me free is here, completing the form. Congratulations, give me free. Great job, buddy. Give me free. Good job. Looks like you got this one. Continuing, guys, for the next giveaway. And the numbers will have the same ratio. This is going to be $50,000 YRM. You can start right now, guys. You can start right now. $50,000 YRM. Let's go, guys. You can start right now. Same numbers. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. $50,000 YRM is this giveaway. Thank you so much. Nasdaq is ripping, guys, above the 800s. Good stuff that I actually left the markets today a little bit earlier, especially for the Lucid. You see how I managed to be on the wrong side of the picture for the YRM accounts and then stop trading the Lucid thing. Stop trading the Lucid. I gave up doing that. If I'm not on the right picture, I don't have to trade all the accounts I got. Certainly not. Today was not working. Thank you so much. Stop right there. No more guesses. That's where we are. Stop right there. No more guesses, guys. Stop right there. Shuffle them. And we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Just in time. Well, depends. Depends when your message came in. I think it came in after. We got that number 9. It's going to be number 7, guys. Well, that's going to be a heavy fight with the 0, I'm telling you. At the very limit is going to be decided. And that's the 0, guys. That's the 0. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. We got this on 0. Nasdaq trading at 830s. Insane recovery, guys. Insane recovery. Look at that. Congratulations for the winners. Let's just find it out. Right, so during the weekend, so many analysis, pretty much social media stuff, right? Telling us that Nasdaq is not going to climb back above 25,500s for the rest of the year. A bear market starts and things will get below 20,000. Today, sits 300 points above 25,500. And that's where we are. So, 23 winners. Well, look at that, guys. If we do spread the numbers like this, we don't have more than 20, 30 winners at a time. We're ready to go. Shuffle them once and fly. That's insane. So if we have 6, 7, 8, 9 varieties, then we don't have more than 15 to 20 winners, you see. Come on, paddle. We're having the 0 out there. Who's gonna speed up? Krazozit. Krazozit. There you go, Krazozit. Hey, congratulations, buddy. Krazozit. Did you fill up the form? Yes, Krazozit. There you go. You did fill up the form. Congratulations. $50,000 YRM account goes out to you. Thank you so much, guys. Looking at the price section here. Surprisingly wild. Surprisingly. You know the time we got into the stream? Here. Very bottom. Very bottom. Can you guys believe we are like 400 points away, 350 points away from the daily VWAP? Thank you, Fred. Thank you, guys. It has not been a good day in trading today. It's not. Certainly has not been a good day, but I could say that I have minimized the loss of the potential losses by not trading the Lucid accounts other than a single account. So, you know, we made a YRM account profit, but the other 2 got smashed. The other 2 accounts out of the 3 funded ones we have. Top one made 500 target hit. So 2 accounts, actually 1 in Lucid was also profitable. Almost to the target. That's where we are, guys. That's where we are today. Certainly not the best day, but still part of the picture. And without these days, it's not possible for you guys, for me guys, to learn more and more, improve and become better, adjust our strategies, and of course perform at the end of the day on, yeah, difficult time. Reach out to me on Discord, guys. Thank you so much. Reach out to me on Discord for the winners. Looking forward to it. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely time, guys. Thank you so much. Looking forward to it tomorrow. We keep in touch on Discord.